Why don't we start off with your word of the day?
Sure. My word of the day is grounded. We saw a little bit of that yesterday where investors are getting grounded, thinking about the stock market and that it can't go on forever with double-digit returns. So taking a pause, taking a breather, taking some profit taking, but investors really being discerning and asking the right questions. And when do we see the benefits of AI? What are the use cases for it? How long will it take? What's the ROI? So the word of the day is grounded.
Sevasti, I also want to get to your pick for us today. It's Meta. So we're talking a lot about some of the data center concerns when it comes to Blue Owl and Oracle. Are you also concerned about some of the debt financing with Meta and also just the ability to do this build out that both Meta and some of these other big names need?
So in terms of the debt levels, Meta and Oracle, I'm concerned about Oracle. Meta, no, not as much. Yes, there was some news that they took out some debt recently, but their balance sheets couldn't be more different. Meta's balance sheet, Fortress balance sheet, if they wanted to pay off the debt they took out, they could do it with the cash that they have on hand and the expected cash flow that they're getting. Oracle is a very different story. They had $80 billion worth of debt about a year ago. That's expanded. It's going to be about 200 plus billion just a couple of years from now. So Oracle is a very different story than Meta. Not concerned about Meta. I'm buying the dip on Meta. Oracle, I'm being more cautious. And unless you're a very risky investor, I'm not liking Oracle right now. So Meta is the pick of the day.
All right, very quickly, your thoughts about CPI coming up later today. Do you expect it to be hotter, cooler? What's the impact on the markets?
Impact on the market, I think, is benign. I think we're going to be in this 3% CPI range, and I don't think it's going to have a big impact. What the Fed has shown is they're focused a bit more on the labor market, not as concerned on inflation. And I think we're going to see that today as well, where we're not going to get a hot number that makes us concerned and have an impact on the market.